My name is Vitas, and to those who are new here, that's my beard. 6 months old, they grow up really fast. In this video I will share with you what beard products I don't use and why, and I will also tell you what works for my beard. But first, I need to tidy this up. I'm gonna do my top line with the top of my mustache. I'm not gonna do anything with my bottom line because nobody can see it anymore. I'm gonna trim down the sides, make it a little bit tidier. Now I'm gonna take a shower and then blow dry my beard to shape it up. If you guys are interested to see what beard I had before, I will leave a link at the end of this video. Alright, just came out of the shower. This feels a lot better. The first beard product I don't use is beard oil. When I was growing my first beards, people around me were telling me like, oh, I need to buy beard oil, blah blah blah, so on and so on. The main purpose of the beard oil is to moisturize your skin underneath the beard, if you have a dry skin. The thing I didn't realize at the time, I didn't have a dry skin. And I tried 3 different beard oils, and all 3 of them were giving me dandruff. Dandruff in my beard. I never had that before. You only need beard oil if you have dry skin underneath your beard. I don't have it, so I don't use it. Now the other items I was advised to use was beard balm and mustache balm. I did try them and I didn't like them, and the reason is they made my beard feel sticky. I just didn't like how it felt, so I stopped using them. The thing is, I like my beard nice and clean and fluffy and a little bit of a mess. It just feels best. I don't grow my beard to look good, I grow my beard because it makes me feel good. And when I feel good, I'm more confident, and when I'm more confident, I look good. Another beard item you may consider using is the beard conditioner. I don't use that either, I just use regular shampoo. I shampoo my beard once a week, sometimes twice, depending what I'm doing. If there's like a lot of crap gets in my beard, I might shampoo it twice a week. I do rinse it every time I take a shower, and that's like once a day at least. I personally think all of these beard products, they're just a marketing ploy to spend more money on things that you actually don't need. But if you think they will help you, go ahead and try them. I'm just sharing what works for me. Alright, so here what actually works for me. A wooden beard comb. This was a complete life changer. It helps me get rid of the knots, it straightens out my beard hair, and it just makes the beard look a lot better. While my beard is moist, I'm gonna do another thing that's gonna help it. I'm gonna blow dry it. When you blow dry your beard, you want to use medium heat. You don't want to get the blow dryer too close to your face. If you have problem spots where the beard is curling, stretch it out with the beard comb and apply a little bit more heat. Alright, this feels a lot better, and you know what happens when I feel good. So yeah, for the proper beard maintenance, you only need a beard trimmer, beard comb, blow dryer, and some scissors. And they don't have to be anything fancy. It only took me 6 months to get up to here, and I'm really excited with their current results. I have no idea how it's gonna look in another 6 months, but the goal is to get this thing massive. If you want to see how I got up to here, I set up a link to my playlist. Go check it out. I'll see you in another video.